Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to connect your Nothing Headphone 1 to a MacBook or iMac. To connect it with macOS, you'll need to first either find Bluetooth in this control center right here. You'll see I have Bluetooth right here, but if you don't have it, simply go to the settings. Now in the settings, you'll see Bluetooth. And now make sure that Bluetooth is enabled. Once it's enabled, it'll start discovering devices. But now we need to make sure that our headphones are enabled. You can see mine are disabled. They have this physical switch, and if it shows red, they are turned off. If it doesn't, then they are on. Now, press and hold on Bluetooth pairing button. It is hidden on the right headphone, on the inside of it. So, I hope you can see it right here. You need to press and hold on it for over 3 seconds. You may hear some light sound from it. Yeah, now they are in pairing mode. And you can see that Nothing Headphone 1 have just appeared. Just click on connect. Now they are connected and you can use them. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.